Alright, now this is my attempt to go ahead and make a review video or an unboxing video of this Greenworks 24 volt lithium max drill driver impact driver combo kit from Costco. So here it is. This is the packaging. So you can see that. Goes ahead and shows that there's 24 position chuck, 56.5 Newton meters of torque, 1750 RPM. That's for the drill driver, and then for the impact driver, it's 4,000 impacts per minute, 282 Newton meters, and 3,200 RPM. So it's pretty good. Seems like it's a lot more variety or higher numbers on this one, obviously. Okay, so 282 Newton meters of torque compared to the 56.5. That's a whole lot more. So I'd be interested to see how this actually works. All right. Okay, so here it goes. So I went ahead and already unplugged or unboxed the charger. So I'll show you, this is the charger. When you first plug it in, both of them are red, and I'll show you that in just a second. So when you get this new, there is no tape that holds this together, so you don't need a knife or anything, just kind of open it up that way. It's nicely packaged. The charger fits in here, and then the other battery fit in this compartment there. Okay, so here's the other battery. See how that is? That seems to sound better. So here's the other battery, packaged in a zip type package. Okay. It's not too heavy. Pretty standard pack. And this go ahead and hold there, and then it just slides back. So you want to take the battery out, just like that. Battery in, it just slides in. So now you can see both of the red dots, indicating that it is not a full battery. So we're going to let that charge. So here is the new battery, or the full battery. And here's the drill. Got my pink and red scissors, also from Costco. Okay, so it has a really good feel to it. It seems pretty strong. Some hex bolts or Torx bolts holding it together there. There's the clutch, or all the different settings. There's the drill. And then seems pretty good. There you go. Reverse and forward. That's good feel to it. And then the switch from high to low torque, and then let's go. Alright, so here it goes. Oh, has a nice LED light. I wonder if you could turn that LED light off. Not that it bugs me or anything, but you know, just wondering if that's an option. There for your bit, kind of a standard thing. Okay. Over there. Okay, so you do get some other stuff. Alright, this one feels pretty good. Good button there for reverse and forward. The trigger feels good, just like the other one. Kind of snapping just like all the others. Alright. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this. Wow. You can really feel the torque. See, watch. There's the other one. Really quick to switch to. You do feel it, but not as much. What's the other one? What's this one? You still got the LED there. And then there's some clips. And the driver bits. So it comes with this. That's nice. It's I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can if you notice it. They're like grooved in there. So I think it adds to the to being able to it seems like it would just grip better. Grip whatever it's there better. So yeah. Has a good feel for it. Seems like it's locked down pretty tight. So yeah, easy to take out. That's nice. Like it. Yeah, I mean, it really doesn't take a lot of twisting or torque to go ahead and loosen it. That's tight. No, it's like it's not really taking much at all to do. And then to loosen, like hardly anything. Maybe like 20% of what I actually use to tighten it. And then these clips go here, and then from there they'll clip onto a belt or whatnot. You have it there. So there you have it. That's the unboxing. Comes nicely packaged. You get two. $99 for the both of them. I can't think of a better deal. I mean, we'll see how well they're built, but Costco has a pretty awesome return policy, so if anything comes up, you know, I'll be going back to them. It seems like it's a pretty good deal, and it looks like it's a pretty good, or these look to be pretty good. So that's Greenworks. There's the drills.